Hi and welcome to When Techno IT Solution in Academy. Today we start Advanced Web Programming. Hi students, basics of web development is very necessary to take the next big step to Advanced Web Programming course. This is just for you.
This course is 3 months long, and the best part is, you can start anytime. No age limits, no background required, anyone can join. We teach in both Urdu and English, so it's easy to understand. I am your instructor, Ali Usman.
In this course, you'll get hands-on with powerful tools and languages like PHP, JavaScript, MySQL, and phpMyAdmin. Everything you need to build dynamic, data-driven websites.
So, what will you actually learn in this course? You'll write scripts using JavaScript to make websites more interactive and fun to use. You'll use PHP to create the backend, the brain of the website that runs behind the scenes. You'll learn how to work with MySQL databases, storing and managing all kinds of data like user info, products, messages, and more. And yes, you'll use phpMyAdmin to manage everything easily.
By the end of the course, you'll be able to build full, working websites, things like CMS, content management systems, POS, point of sale, and SMS, student management systems. You'll also learn how to handle data securely and perform CRUD operations. That means create, read, update, and delete data. And the best part? You'll be ready to start working, whether it's freelancing online or applying for a job as a backend or full-stack web developer. So don't wait. Join us at When Techno and let's start building something amazing together.
Thank you for joining us. You're not just learning, you're preparing to build your future and start earning with real skills.